I bet that pizza tastes good.
You've never seen a place like Showbiz Pizza Place. We'll serve you a pizza second to none. So come for pizza, stay for the fun.
Showbiz Pizza Place with over 60 electronic games. Pizza baked fresh every day. And a stage show extravaganza on 3 stages.
So come for pizza, stay for the fun.
This message is being broadcast at the request of the Charlotte Police Department. At approximately 5:30 p.m. multiple reports of robotic animatronics at the popular restaurant and children's entertainment place Showbiz Pizza began to become aggressive towards customers. The Charlotte Police Department is advising parents and the public to stay away from all Showbiz Pizza locations in and near Mecklenburg County until further notice.
If you've been out this evening, you probably have felt for yourself the difference in the weather that Bob and Sarah were talking about. We're down several degrees in Charlotte, and really most all.
Civil danger warning for the city of Charlotte and surrounding counties. This message is being broadcast at the request of the U.S. Department of Defense. At approximately 5:30 p.m. robotic animatronics from the Showbiz Pizza restaurant were reported to be violently attacking any person in their view. Multiple families have already been reported killed by these animatronics. An effort to contain these animatronics is underway. Do not approach within 5 miles of a Showbiz Pizza. If you are currently near a Showbiz Pizza location, hide and take shelter. Leave your television on for further updates.
Appearing tonight, the Rocker Fire
Naturally, det är ju självklart forskningsgesätt och utnämning när känner marknadsliv.
A national state of emergency has been declared by the United States government for the states of North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Virginia, Tennessee, Kentucky, West Virginia, Maryland, and the District of Columbia. This is not a test. At approximately 8 p.m., the animatronic robots of Showbiz Pizza crushed the attempts at containment. Reports show that they are now running havoc in the streets of Charlotte and surrounding cities. It is a massacre. Reports show hundreds have already claimed victim to the Showbiz Pizza animatronics. Barricade your doors, windows, and any other opening to your home. If you have no shelter, may God be with you. Do not make any attempts at approaching the animatronics, no matter how convincing they seem. They are not your friends. They will kill you. This message will repeat until further notice.
A close one. Theodore, give me the addresses. Well, I don't exactly...
This message is being broadcast at the request of the United States government. The Showbiz Pizza locations in Sacramento are no longer safe. Similar to the Showbiz Pizza locations in Charlotte, the animatronics have begun a massacre on everyone in their way. There are already dozens of reports of families killed inside their homes due to an animatronic breaking in. Barricade all entrances of your home, or face certain death. May God be with you all. May God be with America.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Showbiz Pizza animatronics have obtained nuclear launch codes. The United States has fallen. It appears the rest of the world will follow suit. Be with your loved ones, as we have mere minutes left on this earth. Do not beg for mercy. The animatronics were never your friends. It is truly the end for all of us. Goodbye America. Goodbye world. Dear God.